tunay na buhay, sir?
Yes naman po.
So, how would you describe yourself as a father in real life?
Ako po? Hindi maganda. Hindi naman po. I've always been very open to my kids. But none of them have followed my footsteps because it's their choice. And actually, contributing factor din po siguro ko, nasabi ko, hirap yung aking more than 40 years na experience. This was not really, sunshine and whatever. Although I'm very glad because I came in, I started with a very good director who mentored me. And at the same time, I've worked with the veteran actors who taught me how to be a kontrabida and all that. So ang feeling ko naman po, even without them following my footsteps, ang feeling ko is I gave them the freedom to choose which path they would like to take. And being that kind of a father, I believe, medyo mabait din naman ako.
How many kids do you have po?
7 po.
Ilan po ang boys and ang girls?
There are 2 girls. Actually, 1 girl is not a real girl. And the rest are boys na.
So, since nabanggit niyo po yun, how is your relationship with your daughter na binanggit niyo? Especially nowadays po, di ba may
Yes, I'm fine. I'm an LGBTQ believer then. So somehow, I really don't mind which gender you take. In fact, I was even more surprised when you said, she mentioned something about a gender that because she can be a girl and she can be a boy at the same time. Sabi ko, ganda niyo. Parang ang artista, pwede kang ganito, pwede ka to. So okay naman po sila.
So yun, napaka-okay naman po palang father, Sir Archie. Congratulations.
Well, thank you so much.
And my next question for Aaron, ikaw anak ka naman dito, di ba? Ganun din, sa tunay na buhay, anong klaseng anak ka? Nasuway mo na ba ng bongga ang parents mo? And kung meron, anong incident yun?
I would say yes. I would agree. During my younger days, like I always say, there's nothing perfect in this world, no. As a son, as a daughter, as a father, as a parent, whatever. But then again, I tend to cope up or make bawi to my parents. Kasi sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay natin yan, we need also to fall with those mistakes, and those mistakes will turn us into to be a stronger man someday, or a stronger human being in all aspects, no? Kasi as long as hindi mo na-experience yung bagay, you're not gonna be able to meet yung growth na sinatawag nila. So, every one of us are really considering this kind of moment in life, and we have to accept and adjust, no? We can never fall into better place as much as we want to, but then again, the moment that the Lord has given you a mission, you have to do it, no? But as long as you can get all the guidance from Him, accept the fact that things will get wrong in some moments, but never stop and never quit.
Ayan, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you. That was Romel Gonzalez.